Hi and welcome to our new project in Kuwait. Here we are making a follow-up as we are used to make sure about installing the rides and the construction and everything is working perfect. As you can see now, we are here inside the location of the amusement city that we are building in Kuwait, which will be considered one of the biggest amusement cities inside a mall. It's almost 2 hectares. Okay, so let's start here. As you can see in the drawings that we have this area, which is the rope course and the wall climbing. This is the drawing that our architect made. And in here you will see the installation is almost done of the rope course and the wall climbing. You will see it in 1 minute. Here it is. It's already installed and everything is going perfect, the same as the drawing is here. Now the installation is done and it's going more than perfect. And let's go to see another thing, another part, which is the coaster. The coaster is almost done here. Here the installation almost is done. And we are just waiting for the safety procedures that will be checked later on. Here are the cars of the coaster and here is the area of the roller coaster. Now let's go to Aziz Cat, maybe she's a customer. Now let's go to another area for double checking and let's see how is everything going. Anyway, I can see that work is working and the job is done more than perfect till now and everything is as per the schedule. So it's going perfect. And here we can see, for example, okay, let's have a look here. This is the playground which will be for the kids. So here is the drawing. As you can see the drawings. And then we can go now and have a look on the actual which is ongoing. Here it is. It's going more than perfect. The installation already of the ride started for the kids playground and it's going more than perfect. As you saw in the drawings, everything we are making sure it's exactly the same as it is in the drawing. Here it is, you can see there. So we are more than happy about our work and we are now in Kuwait and everything is going more than perfect. By the way, I'm Mohamed Farrag, CEO of our company, located in Lebanon, and we are now in one of our new locations that we are building, which is an amusement city in Kuwait. We are fully responsible about all the steps here. And as you can see, all the rides are almost here. A couple of months and we will be delivering the full area ready. So wish us all the best. And this live video was from Kuwait. Now we are still inside the FEC area, which is the amusement city I told you about. And as you can see that everything is working more than perfect. Anyway, we will continue our work here and we will continue our visit. Just I wanted to show you how our work is always more than perfect in everything. We have to make sure whatever we are showing you in the drawing or our architect will do, we are delivering it exactly the same. Thank you so much for your time and see you later. Bye-bye.